So let us have interesting examples of the naming of alkenes. So we have this first molecule. In this case, we have carbon-carbon double bond as well as one substituent methyl group at this position. So if you start the numbering from left hand side, then this carbon-carbon double bond will come at position number 2 and methyl group will come at position number 3. But in other way, if you start the numbering from right hand side, so this will become 1, 2. So at position number 2 we have carbon-carbon double bond as well as the substituent, that is methyl group. So this is the correct way to give the numbering to the carbon in alkenes. So while writing the IUPAC name to this molecule, so we have total number of carbon atoms 4. So we must write root name as a but. So we have carbon-carbon double bond at position number 2. So this will become 2 ene. We have methyl substituent at position number 2. So this will become 2-methyl but 2ene. So let us have the another example. So here in this case, generally we feel that this is the longest continuous chain. But while considering this longest continuous chain, we does not include the carbon-carbon double bond. So while writing the numbering to carbon atoms, so we must include this carbon-carbon double bond. So we must write like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here in this case, we have total number of carbon atoms 6. So this will become hex. We have carbon-carbon double bond at position number 2. So this will become hex 1 ene. And methyl group is present at position number 2. So this will become 2-methyl hex 1 ene. Now let us have the third example. Here the bromine as well as methyl group is present as well as carbon-carbon double bond. So we must give the numbering from right hand side towards the left hand side. So this will become 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here total number of carbon atoms are 4. And we have two substituents, that is bromine as well as methyl at position number 3. So we must write but 1 ene. While writing the substituent, the bromine will come first due to the alphabetical order. So this will become 3-bromo, 3-methyl, but 1 ene. So now let us look towards the last example. Here we have this example like this. So we can see the longest chain like this, but this does not again include the carbon-carbon double bond. So we must start the numbering from this side. So we can go in any direction like this or like this. So this will become 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we have one substituent, that is ethyl group at position number 2. So we must write, so these are the total number of carbon atoms 4. So we must write but 1 ene, and ethyl group is present at position number 2. So this will become 2-ethyl but 1 ene.